वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको सिखाता हूँ कि किस तरह हम प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च करते हैं अपने शॉपिफाई ड्रॉप शिपिंग स्टोर के लिए, अपने टिकटॉक शॉप के लिए। तो मेंबर, आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने एक डैशबोर्ड आपके सामने खुला हुआ है। इस पे हम एनालाइज करते हैं, इससे हम एक ऐसे प्रोडक्ट उठाते हैं जिसका मार्केट में बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड हो और जो सप्लाई है वो बहुत कम हो। सप्लाई का मतलब है जो सेलर है ये प्रोडक्ट सेल करते हैं तो इसका बहुत कम है, और जो कस्टमर है वो ख़रीदने का बहुत ज़्यादा है। तो मेंबर देखिए, हम यहाँ पे सम पैटर लगाते हैं कि है show me the product that sell on Shopify. So now click this one, and now these are the products that sell in Shopify store. So now I'm going to analyze your a generic product. So this one is a generic product. This product sell on even in both in TikTok, even in K24. So now I click this one product, and in the last row this one product, how much is the demand of this product in the market, and how much is the seller that sell this product. So this is a Chinese product, maybe it's no some impression, and now this is not goodwill or now I click another product. So now I can this one product, and this product is sell in Wix drop shipping store. The store is made in Wix. So this product is maybe sell very well as the Facebook ads statistics 7 like, in number of ads is run in Facebook is 2, and ads run time is 4. So the June 2025 start, and June 26 2024 the end date selected the store. So these are the two products. Now this one is it in United States. This is Hong Kong. So this product also is not very well and not sell very well. So now I'm going to find another product. This was also not sell very well. This product is also 129 likes. So this means the customer not satisfied from this product. Also this one, and these are not very well product. So now I'm clicking TikTok shop, and I'm showing me the product that sell in TikTok shop. So this product also sell in TikTok shop, and now I'm going to show the product ads display. Ads display is also a good way to find a winning product from the market. So this is also is day one is 0 likes, and day one 0 likes, 1.day 1. This is product is day one is 1.9k likes. Now I'm click this product sell in Thailand. Now I'm click this one product, so it's consider letter. So this product sell very well, and now and dashboard, and 6 day impression is this product also sell very well. It's not a generic product. So this product also is very well, and now let's go to the store maybe later. So the category of product is beauty and health is growing in 20% off, and women clothing 8%. These are the category that search very well and growing every day. And last 7 day search is dress, nuri.com, blah, and this is the searches that people doing and find a winning product. सो अब होप आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब यूट्यूब चैनल। इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए काफ़ी।